everyone. Today I am going to show how to prepare restaurant style tomato soup. Ingredients required are cut ripe tomatoes, carrots, onions, celery is optional, cut garlic, basil leaf for garnish. And we need bay leaves, cinnamon stick, clove, peppercorns, brown sugar, butter or oil, vegetable stock, salt and crushed pepper. I have taken a pan and then now I have added the oil and butter. Now I am going to add the cinnamon stick, bay leaf and clove. I'm going to add onions, next I'm going to add carrots, garlic, and then tomatoes. We'll add some salt. Now I'm going to add the vegetable stock. Let it simmer for 5-10 minutes and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. You can do this process even in the pressure cooker, so it will get done faster. And also at this stage, if you want a thick consistency soup, either you can add rice, 1 spoon of rice when the tomatoes are cooking, or else you can add 1 aloo so that your soup consistency will be a little thicker. The cooked vegetables have been simmering for 10 minutes. In the middle, I added peppercorns as well. In the meantime, I'm going to tell you how I prepared vegetable stock. I removed the peels of the vegetables, cleaned it, and then took 2 cups of water, put the peels of the vegetables in it, and then boiled the water for 10 minutes and then strained it. That's how I got my vegetable stock, which I've used in the soup. The vegetables are completely cooked. Now what we will do is we will remove the bay leaf, the cinnamon stick and the clove, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. I've removed the bay leaves, cinnamon stick and clove here. At this stage, if you feel the peppercorns are too much and it's very spicy for you, you can remove few peppercorns. Now next step is I'm going to strain the vegetables and the liquid. I'm taking this paste and straining it for smoother consistency. After straining, we discard the remaining pulp. Now I will add salt as required, and then I'm going to add sugar, because to cut the sourness of the tomato we need to add some sugar. I'm using brown sugar here. And now I'm going to give it a nice mix. Now I'm going to add crushed peppers, Mix it. At this stage, we can add fresh cream and then serve immediately. We can serve tomato soup in different ways. One, you can serve tomato soup on croutons or breadsticks or garlic bread. But today we are going to serve it on basil leaves. Now the soup is piping hot and ready to be served. Some more crushed peppers. Now I'm going to put some fresh cream and enjoy. Please like my video, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.